This is the checklist your average agent doesn't know and the reason some people might regret buying land. I'm Brooke Johnson. I'm here with the BC team and I specialize in selling raw land. Most realtors only sell the houses. While I can do residential homes, I also sell the dirt first, and that makes all the difference. Raw land isn't just another listing. There's utilities, access, zoning, setbacks, soil, flood notes, easements, and road type. And each one can make or break your build. I meet a lot of people that fall in love with the view, and then after they spent a lot of time and money, come to find out the lot just doesn't fit their plan. And that is where the regret might come in. There are pre-construction costs that they just didn't budget for, such as soils or perk tests, surveys, plans, permits, and location of utilities. The reality of the distance of the utility. Where's your power? Where's your water? Is it septic versus sewer? And what are the timelines? Maybe there are some rules to the land that they just didn't expect. Are there CCRs, HOA rules, setbacks? Are you allowed to build a shop or an RV? Are animals allowed? Access and roads. Are there easements or is your road privately maintained? And then sometimes there's a timeline shock. From the design to the permits to the actual build, it can take months, not just weeks. When looking into residential homes, your checklist might include comps, contingencies, upgrades to the home, but when looking at raw land, our checklist looks a little bit different. I often get calls from other agents who have clients who are looking to buy raw land, asking me where to start. So here's how we get started. You tell me the area and all of your must-haves. Then I will send you a curated list, including off-market parcels that we own, with maps and utility notes. I will then check the availability and distance for power, water, gas, confirm legal access, and any road type. We then will confirm the zoning, CCRs, and if there's any HOA tied to that specific lot. We will then go through the grading and drainage, flood notes, and even zoning to make sure that this lot is right for you before you spend a dime. And lastly, we will run a quick build versus buy fit test. If building isn't right because of the timeline or the budget, we can pivot to a great move-in ready home. I recently had a client who bought an acre lot. Next door to them, there was a couple spec homes going in that sold for $300,000 more for a smaller home. This means you can still buy vacant land, build your custom dream home, and still keep some dollars in your pocket. Although this might not be the case for everyone, custom isn't always cheaper. If you over-design or skip your due diligence, costs can spiral really quick. The point is that with the right parcel and plan, building can deliver exactly what you want and protect your budget. So who is vacant land for? If you want space, maybe a shop, an RV garage, space for trailers or a big pool, a little country feel near the town, room to grow, and you value doing it right the first time, this approach is for you. So if you're even thinking about buying land, let's get started. Click the button below to get on our off-market land list.